Have you ever seen these holes in the side of your roof window frames? I always thought it was something to do with blinds. But I was today years old when I finally realised the truth. Bearing in mind I had 2 Veluxes on my last house. I fitted these 3 Velux myself, and I've got 6 key lights on there. And if you're like me and you didn't know what the hell they was for, you are just about to kick yourself. I will give you a clue. This Velux is particularly dirty. This one's a centre pivot, and the way I used to clean it, I'd open it up, I'd stand there like that, which is particularly difficult on the larger ones, especially when you're holding it open with one hand and cleaning with the other. So on this one, there's no hole there, but there is there. And would you bloody believe it, there's a bolt right there. All you have to do, you cut at that, put the bolt in and it stays there and you can clean it. And on this one, because it's a bigger window, it's got a hole each side. It's actually top opening, but all you need to do is go like that, so it's centre opening, and then look, there's a bolt there and there's a bolt there. So you could just flip it round, stick it in there and clean it. For the life of me, I can't ever remember that ever being shown in the instructions. Can you?